So you wanna push something instantly like a hit or explosion. That's add impulse. Impulse is one-time force applied instantly. It makes things pop, bounce, or explode in a single shot of energy. Now to get this node, just right click and type in add impulse, and you can see few options here like cube and cube one. Now why cube and cube one? Because it needs a mesh. It needs a thing that can actually have impulse added to it because its target is primitive component, so it can't affect the actor itself, but it needs a target which is a primitive component. For now we have the cube itself. So let's just remove both of these because we have an example prepared for us where we can understand how it actually works better way. So as you can see on the screen, we have the eventing execution pin into the add impulse. Then we have a target called cube here. Other than that, we have also added an impulse of 20x. You can definitely experiment with y and z as well to see how it actually better suits your environment. Other than that, we can see the well change. What does this mean? If this is checked, then the mass of the object doesn't affect the physics at all, which means even if the impulse is very low, it will send flying off the object out of the map, even with this low impulse. So let's just come back to the example where on every tick, it will send an impulse of 20, very low amount, with no mass of the object, which means cube will have no mass. Hope it's making sense. So let's just better compile the code and see the action so that we can understand it more accurately. One thing I would like to add is that in this example, I turned on simulate physics of both of these cubes. You always need to do that. If you don't know how to do that, just click on the cube and the details panel, type in simulate physics and check that box. Now as you can see, as soon as I press begin play, one object just dropped down, the second one is just flying off far away, and it will keep going like that because every tick the impulse is sending it to far direction in the x20. For now, let's just remove the val change and see what it feels like when there is mass in the object. Now as soon as we press begin play, the object just dropped down and fell because the mass is too high, so this kind of impulse doesn't affect us. Now I know mass matters a lot, but there are situations when you don't want mass to be there when you are in space or something like that. I mean, there are plenty of situations where you can experiment it. Now as you can see, we just increase the impulse by a small amount and it fall in the other direction. So now you might be wondering where you're going to use these kind of nodes. So it can be used for explosion, jump pad, melee knockbacks, or bullet hitting objects. Impulse is your hit hard button. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.